Yo, what's up everybody? TCFS BMX. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a bike update. There's nothing much to update, honestly. It's little things, you know. Anyways, I will also be giving you big news. Well, big news to me, little news to you guys, because obviously you don't care what I do to my bike. You just want to have some bike videos. I'm going to try to upload some bike videos this weekend. I'm going to be hanging out with probably one person, Preston, or Dana, or Jacob. But, yeah. And I'm going to be doing this really weird mounting system on my bike. Duct tape my phone to the front handlebars. It's really wacko. Or like, I could also do it. You know, you'll just find out. Yeah. So let's get right into the video. Yo. All right. Now that we're in here with my bike for the bike update, we're gonna get right into it. All right. So, freaking. These are my new grips. Yeah, that's right. New grips, same color as my tires. That's right. Alright, so the grips are knockoff ODIs. With knockoff ODIs bar ends, which are a pain to get off, because I had them on my old grips also had the knockoff ones too. Yeah. So that's it for the grips, man. Anyways, yeah, totally got new tires. No, I didn't. I didn't get new tires. I'm not gonna get new tires for a while. I will be getting purple tires though. They're like $70. No, I'm just kidding. Like $15 a piece. I just haven't got around to looking at new tires yet. But yeah, I also got new pedals. They're purple. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah, purple pedals. Really nice. They're gonna go good with the purple tires and black grips. But you must be thinking like, why did I just buy brand new blue knockoff ODI blue grips? Blue, I already called it blue, but you know, knockoff ODI grips. Well, that's because I don't have the handlebars I need yet. And if I bought the handlebars I needed, I wouldn't have bought these. But I'm not going to get those for a while. But I am getting black grips that will be going on my new handlebars in a while, but I will not be putting them on the bike until I also get the handlebars. So, yeah. Oh, and if you want to know what the handlebars are going to be, they're probably going to be Thrashers, maybe about the same height, but definitely not the same length. These are way too long. These are like 21 inches, and I can't bar spin with them. And I am pretty close to bar spinning, but I can't bar spin with these because it's just not possible. Look at this. See that? Very close. Too close, actually. Like, you could go like this, and your hand pretty much touches it. So, I need them to go, like, right here would be nice. So much easier to bar spin. So, yeah. There's a lot of so's in this so sentence, you see, so. Alright, so flipping the bike around. Let's see if I can do this with pretty good. Yo, bar spins. Did it. Alright, so my whole frame is going to be sticker bombed. Probably right here, and right here. Well, including up here and right here. But yeah, it's going to be sticker bombed. I already started with one sticker, or technically two stickers, but one sticker. Yeah, it's a Lily Bay National Park sticker. If you don't know where Lily Bay is, I live about 3 hours away from that. So, yeah, look it up. Yeah. It's going to be dirty. I'm going to try to leave the Sabrosa stickers on there, though. Like, obviously on there, but I'm going to try to leave them so that you can still kind of see them. And, yeah, I also got new valve stem cap things ends, whatever you want to call them. They're dice. Can't really see it. I mean, you kind of can, but yeah, that's pretty dirty. These handlebars are going to make me aggravated because I have a wood floor and everything, so yeah. I forgot to mention that if you couldn't really see the grips or anything else, mostly everything else is going to be on my phone. Hopefully I can make it do that, but it should be on my phone. And yeah, so until the next bike update, I should be getting all the new stuff. So the next bike update should be in like close to a year. Yeah, probably this coming up summer. I should have the new bike stuff. I'm going to ask for stuff for Christmas. So, yeah. Alright guys, so these are the new grips. They're like rip-off ODIs. They're really nice though. My other grips are going to be coming down to like right here. So I'll be able to hold them like right there. It's going to be great. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed my bike update. It was kind of long for what it actually was, but so what am I trying to say here? Yeah, I'm gonna put in a teaser to webisode 1 because, like I already told you, it got flagged and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a teaser to webisode 1, just a short clip, and I hope you guys are ready for it. It'll probably be up in about a week. So yeah, catch you then. Oh, that was also like a 1.5. Alright guys, so until next time, I will catch you later.